Welcome everybody to another episode, I know, of Cooking with Zeus, the show where I, Zeus, cook things and show them to you. We're making bacon and bourbon burgers, a personal favorite of mine today, and since it's Easter weekend and I have a fucking barbecue tomorrow, I'm gonna let you in on my special recipe for making beer brats. The secret is bourbon. First things first, get your ground beef. It should be at least 90% or higher. Put some garlic salt in a bowl, and some black pepper, a little chili powder, and some onion powder. Mix that shit up. Do you want to chop a pound of bacon with a fucking knife? Yeah, neither do I. Scissors. Chop your bacon up to like, I don't know, 2 centimeters, and then just toss it in. Toss your seasonings on there. Always check beforehand and make sure you have a container big enough to mix all this in. After you add your spices, crack a couple eggs in there. Get yourself a couple garlic cloves. And then you want to crush them and chop them into little tiny pieces like my dreams of becoming a race car driver. Onions, peppers, go! Amazing! Now that you have this giant fucking mountain of shit, mix it all up. The key ingredient. Vanilla almond milk. Just kidding. It's bourbon. Just kind of whatever it. Okay, so that's as far as we're going to get today. Tomorrow I'm going to take them out, make the patties, and throw them on the grill when everybody shows up. Get some brats and poke some holes in them with a fork. Put them in a tub. Get some shit beer and pour it in the tub. Plus the secret ingredient. You don't have to let these soak overnight, but they'll be a lot better if you do. And if you don't have time, you can just go ahead and boil them in the beer before you throw them on the grill. Hey, it's tomorrow, and we've got our patties made. Here they are. Make your patties about half pound. That should be good. Now that you've had your broth soaking overnight, you can pull them out of the fridge and start dumping the shitty beer out. Hey everybody, this is Zeus from the future. We got really fast and forgot to film the burgers actually cooking, so here's a simulation of what that would have looked like. Look at that, that's some hot coals. Those burgers are about done. Time to take them off the grill. A lot of people don't think about the buns when they're making burgers, but it's one of the most important parts. Don't get those cheap bullshit white bread rolls for like $2 from Walmart. Spring for some ciabatta rolls, you know, Kaiser rolls, and for the brats, we have these little mini hoagie rolls that are really good. Get your roll cut, nice fat burger on there, slice of cheese, onions, couple nice thick slices of tomato, your lettuce if you're out of spinach, and this is the part where you get to do whatever the fuck you want. I put a little mayonnaise and chipotle ranch on mine. Stacked.
Oh. Subscribe to your thing yet.
You need to subscribe. We got Rob here checking out the burger. Look at that fucking bad boy. That's
I don't want to be in your
pretty much it.
I like turtles.